What's up, y'all? We are on the road to rescue a Dodge, a Chrysler. The Chrysler 8-cut ignition jammed up. And we have already cut the code keys. This is for a commercial customer. And he came in and we decoded the keys that he had and cut them back, you know, original. That's the first thing you're supposed to do. Cut them back original, and we did that. Sent him back with a pack of lube, and that didn't work. I told him to do the tapping thing, you know, on the key, which is what we're gonna try when we get there, because we know how to tap better than regular folks do. Oh my God, I hate that pothole. Anyway, so let's go rescue this Dodge Caravan and probably put a new ignition in. Hopefully we can get it turned over so we don't have to drill. Alright, we were able to tap on it enough to get a part, and we're gonna turn it back, but see what the problem is it's not turning. But if you get lucky, you can tap it and make it turn, which we did. Now it's time for a new ignition. And this pretty much two different ones. There's the tailpiece like that, or the back of the plug, and then there's the one that's got this little kind of a forked toothy looking one, and we're using that one. So we'll have to take it out and key it up. Okay, I've already decoded this, so I already know what the cuts are. And that would be 311. We've got some of all the cuts going on in here, so we're just going to need to dump them all. That's number one. Yep, number two. Rings. Three, and this should be what, 4? Yeah. Okay. Let us dump all these back in there, and it's just alternating up, down, up, down, up, down, all 8. So to start off with, we're gonna do this to get these out of the way. And go ahead and populate. This key is 31132434. So let's go ahead and grab. Oh shoot, my tweezers are under here. So we're just going to carefully pick these up. I'm going to do all one side and flip it and do the other side. So 3 will be over here. The little leg goes like that. Now you want to be careful putting it in. See how the spring's wanting to kind of collapse? You just want to kind of gently get it in there. So that's a 311. We need a 1. See how it's pushing down a little bit. You don't want to make sure that it correctly engages. pick and make sure. Okay, 3113. 3113, that'll be over here. Two, 434, so that's a 3. Okay, flip it. Three, 1, 3113. Three, 113. 2, 424. And all the leftovers go in the kit, which I don't have with me, I don't think. Pretty sure it's at the shop. Actually, the kit may be in here. Let's see. Okay. Once all they're in, they should pop open freely. That one's not. Okay, there we go. Just like that. And we see we have the sidebar. What's happening is it's falling in this notch. When we put the key in, see how it drops just a little bit. Not very much at all. But that is what allows it to turn. I do not have that kit with me, so let us do this for the time being. That's the pack of lubricant I gave him. So this will all go. I've got a bunch of 2s. Get sorted out and put in the Chrysler kit when I get back to the shop. Okay. And as a Stratec, I actually have taken a Stratec class. And this packet is exactly formulated to be exactly what you need. So you use the whole packet. They're very explicit about that. And I just come through and force it. Now some people hate this, but I'm just going by what the manufacturer says to do. And once I get all the wafers coated, I'm going to go ahead and get some right there, because this is a big pivot point right there. And the rest of it really doesn't contact anything, but I'll go ahead and smear it around anyway. Try to get some of the goopier areas not as goopy. And then for the last little bit, I'll put right here. Yep, and then squirt it down the rest of it. So, that's that. Now it's just a matter of turning it to the right position, pushing the retainer in, and you're done. All done. Yay. Hey. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Let's see, I'm just going to throw you right there. Let's see, you go back here. Drilled, did not need you, thankfully. If it has to be drilled, you can put a small hole in and push the sub bar down. But we didn't have to. Look, the locks we've lost this week. I hate this part.